Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today I'm going to show you how to take a birdhouse from the dollar store and transform it into an adorable gingerbread house for the holidays. This is a little, it's just a mini birdhouse that I grabbed from Dollar Tree during the spring season, and I'm putting a coat of brown paint across the whole thing. My favorite brown paint for gingerbread houses is actually from Anita's, which they do carry at Hobby Lobby, and it's called Blush Brown. It's going to be the perfect gingerbread color for your houses. There was some design on this house, and so I did have to do a couple coats just to cover up some of the dark designs that were on this. Next, I'm going to use a darker brown and paint the base, and that's just going to make it stand out a little bit more from the gingerbread house. Next, I'm going to use these plastic ornaments that I got from Walmart. They come in a pack of 18. They are plastic and they have glitter on them, and they're little snowflakes, and I thought they fit perfectly on the roof of this house to dress it up a little bit more. Now, this is where we let our creativity go wild. You're going to take a white paint pen. My favorite is either the painter's pen or the Posca pens, and I will link them both here in the description. And I put a door, windows, and you can see on the edges, I'm doing lines and a dot. And this is just going to give it a little bit more character, make it a little bit more whimsical, because gingerbread houses do have a sense of whimsy about them. We are also going to put some scalloped edges on, and you're going to see me do that here in just a second on the door. I did the scalloped edges all around the door, and then on all of the lines that I created between my polka dots, I did it there, and you can see right here. It makes it so adorable. There's something about the scalloped edges that just makes it come to life. Now I'm simply doing the sides. You want to make sure not to forget those. And again, I'm just doing lines, dots, and scalloped edges. And then I did put a little window in the sides. To create a paned window, you're just going to do a square or a rectangle and then divide it with a cross in the middle. That's it. Super simple, super fun. Now you can see here I put quite a bit of hot glue on the base, and this is where we're going to take our fake snow and adhere it to that. Last, we are going to get a red ribbon bow that I had on hand and adhere it to the top. You guys, this is so cute. If you decorate your kitchen with gingerbreads or you use gingerbreads around your house for the holidays, this is a must-make DIY. If you loved this DIY and enjoy all things home creative, please visit theruffleddaisy.org for more ideas, and make sure you follow me on all the social media channels. I can't wait to see you.